As a query engine, Izenda hooks directly into reporting data sources via live connection strings. When reporting data is stored in a large, multi-tenant reporting database, data must be segmented appropriately across the multi-tenancy reflected in Izenda. This video will highlight the sole row and cell level data security option available in the Izenda interface. For platform administrators, the Settings panel offers several multi-tenant controls, the most important of which is the ability to impersonate other tenants and perform configuration and setup on their behalf. This could include assigning a specific tenant their connection string to reporting to data in the data connectors area, managing the data model, or controlling access to basic features throughout the tool. Under Advanced Settings, Security, there is an option to configure a tenant field. This functions as a direct injection into each where clause in Izenda's query engine. In this case, each tenant in this environment is connected to the exact same reporting database, and data is segregated based on each tenant's customer ID. On this screen, our system-level tenant does not have any restrictive field on the tenant field option. However, by using the setting level dropdown at the top of the screen, we can impersonate a different tenant, in this case, AccessF, and see that this tenant has custom ID configured here. This means that anywhere a user that belongs to the AccessF tenant encounters Izenda content, they will always have where customer ID equals as their specific tenant ID. Now if we look at tenant setup, we can see that AccessF's tenant ID is 1045. To demonstrate this functionality, we can look at a global report that is shared across each tenant in the platform. This report has the exact same visualizations for each tenant, but the data reflected in the report may differ based on rules like tenant field. Opening a report as a system user does not show anything substantial. The report contains multiple visualizations and, as we can see in the grid, many customer IDs. If we navigate back to the list and once again impersonate the AccessF tenant's environment, we can see in the exact same report that only the customer ID 1045 is represented now in the data. This is a high-level multi-tenant data separator with a setup interface. Any more complex row and cell level data security rules can be more robustly and programmatically configured in Izenda's iAdHoc extension class through hidden filters. For more tutorials on Izenda functionality and additional information on the platform, please watch our additional videos or visit our website to learn more.